this is Alan back here again from BMW Durham, and today it's our first look at the 2022 BMW X5 M50i. Okay, so our general manager Rob Lacheze was kind enough to let me borrow his demo so I could make this video. This is our first look at the 2022 BMW X5 M50i in Dravit Grey Metallic. I have to say, this is probably my favorite color on the X5 and X6. I think this color looks absolutely amazing, and I hope the camera is picking up the color well, because it does look really, really good. This one, of course, has the laser lights, the huge one-piece black kidney grille, all the nice air intakes and such on the lower apron. Now, I think these are the 745M black wheels with the red M Sport brakes. The car looks really good. Brakes look awesome. Got the nice wide wheel arches. M badge over here. Air breather on the front fender. We'll follow this body line all the way to the back of the vehicle. Now, the X5 for me is the one vehicle in our lineup that can literally do everything. And the car just looks absolutely great. Now let me just open up the hatch here. So Rob is a caring father of 2 children. There's evidence of that, but this is the amount of space that we have back here in the X5 M50i. And I'll just press this lower tailgate portion so we can open that up. So this is the amount of space that we have back here. Just so everybody knows, there are no scheduled changes for the 2022 X5 whatsoever, but I still wanted to share this one with you because it is an excellent example of this vehicle with the 50i and with this color as well. Now with the 50i, it's awesome because you get these 2 exhaust tips on either side inside the freeform exhaust. This particular one has the tow hitch, but it's good to see that there's some real exhaust pipes here. So if you are a family man or woman and you need a vehicle to haul your family around, the X5 will do it perfectly. So this one has a booster seat in it and a child safety seat, forward facing. It looks really good in here. You've got the sunshades already built in, so you don't have to buy those suction cup ones. And as you can see, comfortably fits 2 child safety seats back here. And I don't see any, I see a couple footprints on the back of the seat, but still ample room. The kids are happy back here, and more importantly, they're safe. Now, once the kids are out of their child safety seats, the rear does have the ability to have rear heated seats as well, so that'll be awesome for them. You also have, of course, the center armrests. There's a storage compartment in here, and they've got the cup holders here. And of course, if the child safety seats were not here, you could also have the seats fold down in a 60-40 split. And it's also great that they've got this accessory port here with the USB Type-C, so you could buy an iPad holder or a little desk or something to keep the kids entertained in the back. And once the kids are no longer here, you can get like a little table to work here and such. So it's very well appointed back here, and it's also nice. They've got the vent on the side, the coat hanger on either side up here on the B-pillar, and you've also got the coat hanger on the opposite side near the handle on both sides as well. Now in the M50i, you get the nice door sills like so. This one's got the black perforated seats. They look really good, of course, as always. And we've got this nice trim going across. Large display in the center. Hand sanitizer is a sign of the times. We've got the crafted clarity, the shift knob and the iDrive controller, along with the volume button here, all made in glass. And what's also nice, this one also has the Sky Lounge sunroof. So if the car was on, you'd see the ambient light coming through into the sunroof as well. So that looks really cool. So entering from the driver door, we've got all our window controls right here, side mirror controls, ability to open and close the hatch from this control here. This control makes it so you can use the driver's seat controls to move the passenger seat like so. Whoops, I didn't turn it on first. Like so, right? And we've got the nice M pedals down here. And let me just get inside here and shut the door. All right, so this one also has the full assisted driving, advanced driver assist, and we've got iDrive 7 in here. And yeah, maybe we can get a little bit of a better look at that Sky Lounge sunroof. So that looks really awesome. Okay, so let's pop the hood and take a look at that N63 motor. Look at that. Now I just want to give you guys a side profile shot. Alright, so that was our first look at the 2022 BMW X5 M50i in Dravit Grey Metallic. I love this car. I think this car looks so good. It drives so well, and among all the vehicles in our lineup, the X5, if you can afford it, it's the one car that can really do it all, and I love this car. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.